An average person's attention span is just 8.5 seconds, while a goldfish has an attention span of 9 seconds. You probably heard that before, but the truth is, it's actually a myth. Most people already know this, but humans can focus on productive activities for much longer than a few seconds. In many cases, people can stay focused for around 20 minutes or even more, but when we look at the current situation, it's clear that many people struggle to focus. Why? Because of distractions. And honestly, Mom was right. It's the damn phone. We spend a huge amount of our free time scrolling through reels and short videos. Some people delete Instagram to stop scrolling, but then they end up spending hours on YouTube Shorts instead. The platform changes, but the habit stays the same. If you want to engage in productive activities, dopamine plays a big role. Every time we scroll through social media, our brain gets small dopamine rewards. Over time, our brain starts craving these quick rewards, making it harder to stay focused on activities that require effort and patience. That's why when you're studying, learning a skill, or working on something important, you suddenly feel the urge to check your phone. So what's the solution? It's actually simple. Reduce your social media usage. Of course, the beginning will be difficult. That's why you should start small. If you're using social media for 5 hours a day, don't try to quit overnight. Instead, reduce it by just 15 minutes. For example, aim for 4 hours and 45 minutes. After a while, reduce another 15 minutes, and then another. Small improvements may seem insignificant, but they add up over time. And as you spend less time on social media, you'll likely notice that you have more energy and can stay engaged in productive activities for longer periods. At first, avoiding your phone will feel uncomfortable. One thing I recommend is replacing short-form content with long-form content. Instead of endlessly watching reels and shorts, try watching longer videos. Watch something educational that can help you in daily life, or even watch entertainment to relax and reduce stress. But keep it limited. The problem isn't watching videos. The problem is spending the entire day consuming content. If you keep using your dopamine on things that provide little value, you'll end up wasting your precious time and energy. Of course, if you're capable of taking the hard route and drastically reducing phone usage, you can try that too. Now, if you're someone who struggles to focus while studying, learning a skill, or doing important work, here's what I would suggest. First, create an environment with as few distractions as possible. Keep your phone away from you. Turn off notifications. If necessary, delete the apps that constantly tempt you to open them. Then, set a timer and see how long you can focus without getting distracted. It might be a small amount of time, and that's okay. Accept where you are right now. For example, if you can focus for only 10 minutes before getting distracted by your thoughts, your next goal should be 15 minutes, then 20 minutes, then gradually increase it over time. Remember, focus is a skill, and skills improve with practice. At the same time, trying to focus continuously for hours can be exhausting, so take breaks. For example, focus for 20 minutes and then take a 5 to 10 minute break, but during that break, avoid social media. Instead, look at the sky, go for a short walk, think about random things, sit quietly, or simply do nothing. Give yourself some boredom. It might sound strange, but boredom is actually a good thing. When you're constantly stimulated, your brain never gets a chance to rest. Spending a few minutes doing absolutely nothing can help you become more productive when you return to work. Another technique is to close your eyes for 2 to 3 minutes and focus only on the sounds around you, or keep your eyes open and focus on a single object for a few minutes. It could be something as simple as watching an ant walk across the ground. These small exercises can help train your attention. The good news is that your attention span is not permanently damaged. It can recover. You can improve your focus. And when you do, you'll realize how much potential you actually have. The ability to focus is one of the most powerful skills you can build. And once you develop it, you'll be surprised by what you're capable of achieving.